The new version of Forex Tester has significant advantages over the previous one. Let us briefly describe them. New ribbon interface. After downloading Forex Tester 5, you will, first of all, see a new interface. We are sure that it will be much easier and more pleasant to work in the attractive new software. Interactive Forex courses. The new interface, in turn, allowed us to implement one of the biggest novelties, a Forex educational course. A unique feature of this course is that it's interactive. Just imagine. You can learn new concepts and then try out this knowledge in practice right away. At the moment, Forex Tester provides lessons on Forex basics, but the number of courses will gradually increase, as will their level of difficulty. You can learn the lessons in any order. Risk-Reward Tool. In Forex Tester 5, we have also improved the risk management. Now the software has the risk-reward tool demanded by traders. With its help, you can easily estimate your future trade's profit and risk right on the chart and decide whether this order is worth opening. Safer trading on news releases. Another feature designed to protect your deposit is the ability to avoid losses caused by fundamental news. More precisely, you can lower your risks before any major news comes out. If your trading style involves fundamental analysis, this is an excellent opportunity to learn how to trade safer. One more innovation of Forex Tester 5 is a OneClick Trading tool. It looks like a compact trading panel that allows the managing of multiple orders at once, with the ability to predefine their settings. As a result, you save time on repetitive, boring tasks. AI-based strategy optimizer. One more feature that will facilitate and speed up the testing process is a strategy optimizer. If you have a promising strategy, you can find its best parameters using this tool. Artificial intelligence algorithms will test the specified parameters 100 times faster than you could manually. New trading instruments. For those who like to experiment, we've added new indicators and expert advisors, among which you are sure to find something suitable for you. Besides, data for new exotic symbols has been added in the latest version. Are you ready to get a new backtesting experience? Download the demo now and see for yourself that Forex Tester 5 rules.